alam mo, kailangan yung mga providers din, kailangan may compliance. Like for example, Globe and Smart. Yung Globe and Smart, easily, meron silang taxi 60 million subscribers. Sa 60 million subscribers, minimum mo yan na cell site, dapat 100,000. 30,000 lang sila eh. Ito yung reasoning nila. Mahirap kumuha ng permit daw from the LGUs. Sabi ko, hindi totoo yan. Malaki lang talaga yung investment pag naglagay ka ng cell site. So, in fact, I suggested to them, kasi one cell site, meron naman talagang capacity yan. Pero like, pag heavily populated, like Metro Manila, pwede mo naman 2 cell site sa isang site. I think you really have to be very strict on this. So, kung hindi nila kaya maglagay ng 100,000 cell sites, then they have to limit their subscription to maybe 30 million only. Para naman ang sa ganon ay hindi naman agrabyado yung public.